I'll for mom. Thank you. Thank you so much. Good morning. Mama na kwaba Badwam Ahosepe Jimezido Zino the Fancy Doll, President for the Brothers and Sisters Association and Siemens Komona and I'm bro. Now, in there, your baby sonko, as I said, say, was it show? Say, say, but American years, so was it show? Obey what we are singing our baby. And otherwise, she won't find your she. Don't find ashes, no. Won't find your she. But me war a brain say, baby, or mention what had was it as I was show? I a baby can say. On tensi. Into no one pay moon come on here, papa. There about snazzy. Na ete. O Sunday, you know. Na what left was spirits. Bibia, I will be a baby on show. Ebohunde the mass pekune kita no for so papa ebotum na ezi aye bibi and the pay mesa aka Berima Kenneth Kobna Mesa popularly no town will be a friend no Blakk ID na oya fashion designer opama de papa oya ade boy na ade papa na tidama meke no why ye bibi won so bi a onam dunti no ane pay waba kansa wa hade ayin ba mo bonkomo Tino ma minchiano. Good morning.
Good morning.
Bibi Aboko.
Adom Bibi Aboko.
Okay. Intino, congrats. Now we're ready on the
runway. Yes. Yes.
Charlie, you're about a monk no. But before that, no, ma yenkasa fashion business no or
Oh, okay, pa. Sisi ya hunde eniboya ba nti sisi ya yerita asen kakra. First do be bro nyanso na won pamata. Sisi ya de yapomazi de bia.
Okay.
Yes.
Into business no rukoye papa.
Yes.
Okay. Now sisi Ghana for yerite fashion first no nche ona anyi de bia inya calendar bia e ba bosho dan de choose style.
Yes.
Yeah, the why and the man the CCR no more of the designs one what design won't be bianazi.
How the CCR na hu de yate eyinase yate fashion as into CCR na yesua. Nti na ye edwuma na adu baby na ye hu de training crofo na won so hu mesi mo ye edwuma na nti how the edwuma na de to me efa inspiration fi baby as big ka ho yi bi film na as create wa tar nti bibi dem na yare ye nti CCR de edwuma na more.
Okay.
Yes.
Nti no ba ye hwe I mean make us your fashion kra into no minim there a bit for inspiration will BBM.
Yes.
But there are that wash show. And this is not something that will be as a wash show. Warankasa will shop. I epamaze or hono.
Yes.
And not show.
Yes.
Hey, Massa. I'm not feeling it then.
Feeling is mental 7 I was worried kakra, but I don't know. Nyankopon na rokuta eninti I was okay.
Worried kakra.
Yes.
Nkofo won nyama wo erepam na ade machines.
Naze. Lucky you down there sisi ya mbenyimfo ntare no more nti we were able to clear a lot. Nti wama nkofo won that man on endorse too much.
Okay.
But then fabrics are near stock for you ready to wear. And the new machines na industrial machines brand new 20. Nini na down.
Is me that be none of the massive me see or
see 3rd of August.
Oh yeah, this year.
This year, yeah.
3rd of August.
Yes, the following day.
What shop no here?
More than someone.
And a shop in this show, Jerbe. Charlie. Yeah, the pictures now. I don't know what to do now. Most of the situation, no. Or to know you, papa, boy, yeah. No shop, no, or show them, no. Charlie. What? Visuals, ni bigi. Now, ma, munkade. Ayazum. Pa. Because for somebody, this is the end. Cheja.
Yes.
What kept you going?
And America there was life is a teacher. And to say life is a teacher, there was the examination is ahead. The examination not by in various forms. And I'm feeling there me examination in social my passing. And they should watch out.
Okay.
Yeah, and Zama big. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Into now I try there. Osho you know. Na obesi wutiri me de botum na is a BB.
Yes.
How does that even happen? More try to understand the thought process because what I show the what you have. I mean, I can't come call share one more donate to come on to but if I am co creative process at that time, also the point of the suit in the noisy wash we able to now make something with it.
Okay, now you're working on a project with the students before Hoshaway. So
okay.
You're back and now you're using Komo. And now it came to mind that you know that if we can take inspiration from anything, we should take advantage of this situation.
Okay.
And to make the master, either no be to zero, either I was a Monsieur will work on it. Until yeah, start in Monsieur Yerba Bay, no be until sure they be, and I'm so very possible. Me start from there until take key pictures of the place. Now. Me making sure that you will look for the interesting ones. Until I was working with the students. Now, they started. We are in sketches and as a sketches and as in until every year I realized that our situation are very difficult. Until why there was work such a tight corner. Until actually in designer, them are either in Kenten or what in the hair, or your BB or window frame now. Into window framing, yes, something around the neck. To serve as bondage.
Okay.
I do busy wash a tight corner, and that's the idea. Now my watch chest area, and so your polytank can wash away. And the way it's looking, it can do something. Yeah. And so and I'm say okay. Although we are in a tight corner, but we are doing something good. So if that's the case, accessories, you best share models in our crown. And see the crown represents your mindset, being rich and being on top. It's about the gold in our zone. To signify that you can be in bondage, but you can still come out good. That is the whole. Into photo shoots now, so you realize that, and represent the horror show now,
Charlie, a guy, papa, because obi a wafa what the moon on yadam on shall fit precoring yadam. And you know, mu hope by on cran share exam obi a roshe hen and pay. On for whose situation most multiple to na 10 no aye gold. Into nyama not wash show or place one nibi. And as the accessories, exhibition turn and as a and minim there now redeems on the runway. I carry redeems on the runway be rentase or one of the biggest fashion shows Ghana had. Na nipa hin na sha wona ataro redeems. Okay,
into Maria in the time I realized that they the mazana redeems for why your own designer selection. Into being a creative person, okay, say, mean to be on a runway, then let me create a piece. Now I am co-eventing to get their attention.
Okay.
Into that is what we did. Into you drew one. Attention was more.
Spirit, power.
Creative person in every environment, you should be able to move.
That.
Yes, into them. Yeah. So we got the attention of celebrities and as no be around, and that the story is catchy. Until when they get to know the story behind it, then they
fall in love.
I fall in love more. Cry.
It's no lots of attention already.
Yes.
And what you trap when you celebrities may be trap picture, but what pictures no to do and farm when you celebrities no baby. But yeah, can't read them. There were lots of pictures. Na nyamo creative dresses be o honum cry why they jana
yes.
Woman no come papa pantino. As ye bon komoni nyina na ye hwe them pictures ni bi. Na sisi no after redeems, what's next? So
a project a series of them. Into redeems, another one for a different location.
Okay.
Into obeba nkakra. So we are a grand fashion show. December 19 and Zama Bobo Duntina, so you a grand fashion show. About all the pieces because pieces in our area and it's very unique. First one, when other ones and now over Banade. Oh yeah, crazy.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. It's a shock at any time. You ever heard bomb baby?
Yes.
Charlie.
No, one brass because it's your school, your training.
Okay.
I'm for Obi are interested there. Oba Babu's fashion, how to create with a lot of things, and we are open.
Okay.
My parents number no fret.
Okay. It's may establish school isn't the
Blakk ID Fashion College.
Blakk ID Fashion College. And I hear from the school no.
Or dance one runabout.
Okay. This is currently our students by him.
More student, more weekend student and more regular students. My regular students were about 8 for now, and more weekend students in the way about 15.
Wow.
1 hour per the way, polishing. Yes. And I would then come for a fair. They want to, but I mean, you're ready them.
Into which way? That was 6 months. But you had
for 6 months. Me 1 year. Me 3 months, depending on course per day.
Okay.
But a master class, depending on what you want, it can even be 1 month or another. Yes.
Okay. Yes. Okay. And what's my you need to know Brenda so about Fanama Nutuga or be share because this story is a story of hope. A story about your papa, you were a fighter and says a rich treasure, no pocho, or here papa there, yes, you back shimbi kusuya as one as into train. Number at the bottom Guana will be 2. Okay.
Into number 0242 960-358. Now the other one is 0245671202. Messi do be 0242 960-358. Now was 0245671202.
Okay, yes. Blakk ID.
Yes.
Fashion College.
College, yes.
Beba.
Because my previous shows, I know my models now was blind. That is that was and BBC full crab cover.
Wow.
All the models on the runway were blind.
Wow.
And so I am pretty BB normal. Yeah, well, another fashion show be or banner the mobile location, but very something unique.
Okay.
Yes.
Time no so me hu ai na yen chere nkofo no bia from the new embassy nkofo because it's your fashion no wa baka yen wiase no ho. And what is life without clothes? You know.
Yes. Basic necessities of life, not a 3, but clothing comes first.
Yes.
A bit is a shatter.
Yeah.
Emergency be a shatter. A bit sit down, your identity even depends on what you wear.
Okay.
Because a police in you are and your police in you.
Okay.
You get
no one man into no to them okay no what identity social media handles
Blakk_ID or Instagram.
Okay.
And other social media.
Blakk_ID.
Yes.
Okay. Into it's not okay no congrats.
Thank you.
And all your one they too na create something big, not just something big out of nothing. And you know, Blakk ID in a mingana bon comono, Mauba non concussion do no I had guy pow, or was my way hard and so I can Jumano home, no any designs no so you come up papa, tries a camera for Obano no concussion as a home. Yami show. And sa and the pay. Is there no air the fancy dome? So come on, Bessia, and I'm coming out the papa, no one's a mine. Okay, it's no, one can there. But the crowd is it, Yabasaraba, 9 days to Christmas feature and I area no. But some years on come your barber charge and so, no mango baby out, Snassi, I think, Pan Mene acquisition on your Yaman Quabasan, Yaba. America on the CCR, Yabasan, ye shame you.